Email marketing is a powerful tool for direct digital communication, enabling businesses to reach audiences effectively. This presentation will explore its benefits, strategies, and best practices, providing insights into crafting compelling campaigns that engage and convert. Email marketing is a strategic tool for direct digital communication. It involves sending targeted, permission-based messages to subscribers. This approach builds meaningful relationships through personalized communication, nurturing trust and engagement. It drives conversions by turning subscribers into customers and fosters loyalty through educational newsletters, promotional campaigns, and automated messages, guiding customers through their brand journey. Email marketing is a strategic approach involving targeted, permission-based messages to subscribers. It builds meaningful relationships through direct, personalized communication. This channel nurtures trust, drives conversions, and fosters loyalty. It includes educational newsletters, promotional campaigns, product announcements, and automated messages, guiding customers through their brand journey. Email marketing remains the top digital marketing channel in 2025, with 4.9 billion global users expected by 2027. It offers a $36 return per dollar invested, outperforming social media and paid advertisements in revenue generation. Its universal adoption and consistent engagement ensure unmatched access to target audiences with predictable results. Email marketing boasts a staggering 3,600% return on investment, earning $36 for every dollar spent. This far surpasses the returns from paid search and social media. Such impressive performance underscores email's critical role in a robust digital marketing strategy, making it indispensable for marketers aiming for high returns and effective audience engagement. Email marketing offers a strategic advantage by providing full control over communication channels. Unlike social media, email is algorithm independent, ensuring consistent audience reach. It allows direct access to inboxes, fostering trust and long-term relationships. Advanced segmentation and automation enable personalized messaging at scale, making each subscriber feel valued and understood. Email marketing offers full control over your communication channel, free from algorithm changes that affect social media. It ensures direct access to your audience's inboxes, fostering trust and long-term relationships. With advanced segmentation and automation, you can deliver personalized messages at scale, making each subscriber feel valued and understood. The 80-20 rule in email marketing highlights that 20% of customers drive 80% of revenue. Identify these top performers using customer relationship management data. Craft targeted campaigns with exclusive content for this very important person segment. Automate nurture sequences to reward loyalty and boost repeat purchases, maximizing return on investment and enhancing brand loyalty. Key components of effective email marketing include personalization, segmentation, and timing. Personalization enhances engagement by addressing recipients by name and tailoring content. Segmentation divides your audience into meaningful groups for targeted messaging. Timing ensures emails reach inboxes when recipients are most likely to engage. Implementing these best practices optimizes open rates and conversions, driving successful email campaigns. Offer valuable incentives like exclusive ebooks or special discounts to boost signups. Optimize capture points with pop-up forms and dedicated landing pages. Maintain list hygiene by removing inactive subscribers and correcting bounced addresses. A healthy, engaged email list is crucial. Prioritize quality over quantity for sustained engagement and high deliverability. Utilize the 5 T's framework. Tease with intriguing subject lines. Target by segmenting and personalizing content. Teach with valuable insights. Test through A/B testing, and track performance metrics. Ensure emails are concise, with clear calls to action, engaging visuals, and a conversational tone. Prioritize mobile optimization for higher engagement and revenue. Welcome new subscribers with a series of onboarding emails to introduce your brand. Use behavioral triggers for cart and browse abandonment reminders. Tailor lifecycle marketing to customer stages and re-engage inactive subscribers with personalized offers. Leverage advanced automation for dynamic content, testing subject lines, send times, and calls to action to boost engagement. Email analytics are crucial for measuring success. Key metrics include open rate, which reflects subject line effectiveness, and click-through rate, indicating content engagement. Conversion rate links emails to business outcomes, while list growth shows audience building. Revenue per email and overall return on investment provide financial insights. Use reporting tools to analyze trends and refine strategies. Data-driven decision-making is crucial in email marketing. Key metrics include open rate, click-through rate, and conversion rate, which reflect subject line effectiveness, content relevance, and business outcomes. Monitor list growth, revenue per email, and overall return on investment to measure financial performance. Use reporting tools to analyze trends and refine strategies for continuous improvement. Email remains a reliable, profitable channel with consistent results. Leverage AI for hyper-personalized content and optimal send times. Prioritize quality over quantity, focusing on engagement and lifetime value. Start with focused campaigns, test, analyze, and scale proven strategies. Combining timeless principles with emerging tech ensures email's continued relevance and effectiveness.